All right, this is a tricky one involving the e function, but with a little bit of mathematical manipulation, it ain't that bad. So let's see, e over 1 over t to the third over t to the fourth dt. So let's let our u equal 1 over t to the third. Remember, this is the same as t to the negative third. And so the derivative of t to the negative third is -3. Remember, you bring a -3 down, and -3 minus 1 is equal to -4 dt. So in this case, let's go ahead and isolate this -3 from this t, -4, to account for this. So here you're looking at -3 du is equal to t to the -4th dt, and -3 du, and remember t to the -4th dt is the same as 1 over t to the 4th dt. And remember this, to fully break this down, this is the same as saying 1 over t to the 4th e to the 1 over t to the 3rd dt. So look, our 1 over t to the 3rd is accounted for by u, right? And our 1 over t to the 4th is accounted for by this -3 du, right? So now we got to account for our limits. So we're looking at, in this case, when u, I'm sorry, when x is equal to 1, u is equal to, let's see, u is equal to 1, right? Because 1 to the, that's right, 1 to anything, I mean, right, yeah, 1 to, no, I'm sorry, this should be a t. When t is equal to 1, u is equal to 1, because 1 to anything is just 1, right? So when t equals 4 up here, u is equal to in this case 1 over 64, right? So now we got our limits. In terms of u. So now what we're looking at is the limit going from 1 to 1 over 64. 1 over t to the 4th is accounted for by -3 du, and it's and e to the 1 over t to the 3rd is accounted for by u. Just going to clean this up. So 1 over 1 over 64. I'm going to bring this negative 3 out here outside the integral. E to the u du. All right. Now we're ready to integrate. So negative 3 going from the limit of 1 over 64. The integral e to the u is just e to the u. Now let's see. Let's go ahead and plug in our limit. So e to the 1 over 64 minus e to the 1. So we're looking at a e to the 1. Remember, e to the 1 is just simply e. So when we distribute this negative 3, we're looking at a negative 3 e to the 1 over 64 minus a e. Minus a 3e. I'm sorry. Minus a 3e. When you distribute that e completely. And that's your final answer.